Hello students, how are you? Hope so you are good. Dear students, this is your English class and today we will be matching alphabets, capital letters and small letters. Matching. We have some letters here. Capital letters and small letters. Now let's match capital A with small a. Now capital B with small b. Good. Now capital C with small c. Now capital D with small d. Now capital E with small e. Now capital F with small f. Yes. Now capital G with small g. Yes. Now capital H with small h. Now capital I with small I. Good. Now capital J with small j. Very good. Now capital K with small k. Now capital L with small l. Now capital M with small m. Now capital N with small n. Very good. Now capital O with small o. Now capital P with small p. Now capital Q with small q. Now capital R with small r. Now capital S with small s. Now capital T with small t. Now capital U with small u. Now capital V with small v. Very good. Dear students, these are your written tasks for you and you have to write it on your notebook. Okay? Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope so you are good. Students, this is your math class and today we will learn about the symbol of less than, L E S S, less, T H A N, then, less than. स्टूडेंट्स, लेस देन का मतलब होता है कम और मैथ में लेस देन छोटे डिजिट के लिए यूज़ करते हैं। स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर हम इन डिजिट्स को देखेंगे 2, 4। 2 का डिजिट छोटा है 4 से, यानी 2 का डिजिट कम है 4 से। 2 is less than 4। 5 का डिजिट कम है 7 से। 5 is less than 7। 8 का डिजिट कम है 9 से, यानी 8 छोटा है 9 से। 8 is less than 9। इसी तरह 10, 11। 10 का डिजिट कम है 11 से। 10 is less than 11। 13 और 14 में 13 छोटा है, यानी 13 कम है 14 से। 13 is less than 14। 15 छोटा है 16 से। 15 is less than 16। स्टूडेंट्स, अब हम लेस देन का सिंबल लगाएंगे। 2 is less than 4। 5 is less than 7। 8 is less than 9। 10 is less than 11। 13 is less than 14। 15 is less than 16। Students, these are your written task for you and you have to write it on your notebooks. Take care of yourself. Okay? Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and happy. Dear students, this is your general knowledge class. And now open your books at page number 11. स्टूडेंट्स, हमारा आज का सवाल है क्वेश्चन नेम एनी 4 फ्रूट्स दैट यू ईट इन समर्स। क्वेश्चन नेम एनी 4 फ्रूट्स दैट यू ईट इन समर्स। आंसर मैंगो, वाटरमेलन, पीच and melon. Name any 4 fruits that you eat in summers. Answer mango, watermelon, peach and melon. Students, repeat after me. Name any 4 fruits that you eat in summers. Mango, watermelon, peach and melon. स्टूडेंट्स, ये हमारा आज का सवाल है क्वेश्चन नेम एनी 4 फ्रूट्स दैट यू ईट इन समर्स। आंसर मैंगो, वाटरमेलन, पीच एंड मेलन। स्टूडेंट्स, ये हमारा आज का सवाल था। आपने इसको अच्छे तरीके से याद करना है। टेक केयर ऑफ़ योरसेल्फ। ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़।